Strip doors or strip curtains are an effective and energy-efficient way to separate the work environment. We provide high-quality PVC doors in a wide range of sizes to fit your needs, from 4 foot by 7 foot, 4 foot by 8 foot, 6 foot by 8 foot, 8 foot by 10 foot, 9 foot by 10 foot, 10 foot by 10 foot, and 12 foot by 12 foot. We also carry the durable strip material in bulk for as many custom doors and sizes as you need. Strip doors are perfect for blocking off a workspace as they are transparent, allowing light to pass through and offering great visibility, while also keeping out dirt and dust, fumes, noise, and even weather. They're designed to control room temperature and minimize energy costs by keeping either hot or cold air in, and since people and machinery can pass through without opening a door each time, they also increase productivity. Our selection of quality strip doors comes with a standard steel mounting bracket and mounting hardware. It comes pre-drilled, so installing it is as easy as screwing on the bracket. It can be mounted on the outside of the door or right inside the frame. The durable PVC strips are securely attached to the mounting bracket with bolts on each strip. They come in 4 width sizes with overlap options. 6 inches with a partial 66% overlap or full 100% overlap, 8 inches with a partial 50% overlap or full 100% overlap, and 12 and 16 inches with a partial 66% overlap or full 100% overlap. The standard PVC strips are also rated for extreme temperatures from 0 degrees to over 150 degrees, making them perfect for almost any situation. They come in clear PVC with the option of safety orange strips and are resistant to fading in the sun. All the demands of industrial and commercial needs are met with the incredibly strong and durable strip doors from Action Industries. We're known for our weather seal, but we offer a whole lot more. We have every part for every door.